Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing $2,700 made overnight, not from dropshipping, not from crypto, but from an AI-powered business that runs 24/7. No employees. No coding. Just you, your laptop, and a system built around the most powerful technology in history, artificial intelligence. You've seen people online talking about AI this and AI that. But the truth is, most people still don't know how to use it to actually make money. Today, I'll break down 5 real AI business models that are exploding right now, product-based businesses that anyone can start in 2025 with zero experience, minimal cost, and massive potential. So grab a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI business could make you your first million. Welcome to Hustle Wallet, where we make money simple and help you stay ahead of the financial curve. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because each week, we uncover new ways to earn, invest, and grow your wealth using modern tools and digital trends. Alright, let's dive in. The first AI business model is something you've probably seen all over YouTube and TikTok, AI-generated videos. Platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, and HeyGen use AI to turn simple text scripts into full-on video content with lifelike avatars and voices. But here's where the opportunity lies. Instead of just using these tools, you can build your own AI video generator platform or niche product version of it. Think about this. An AI tool that creates real estate videos automatically. An AI app that turns podcasts into YouTube shorts. Or a web tool that turns tweets into narrated reels for social media. These are media-based AI products, and they're skyrocketing in value because businesses want to create content faster and cheaper. Case study, a startup called RunwayML launched with a small AI editing model in 2020. By 2024, it was valued at over $1.5 billion, partnering with Netflix and Apple for media production tools. Even smaller scale versions of this idea, like SaaS tools that auto-edit or generate video templates, are generating $50,000 to $200,000 per month in subscription revenue. AI business number 2, Automated AI Course Builder. Next up, the AI Course Builder. Education is one of the biggest online industries, and AI is completely transforming it. Imagine a web platform where users input a topic, like digital marketing or fitness coaching, and the AI instantly generates a structured online course, complete with video scripts, lesson outlines, and quizzes. You don't even need to record anything yourself. AI voices and avatars can deliver lessons, and AI writers can generate PDF workbooks. Case study, a tool called Coursebox.ai started this trend, and it's now used by over 20,000 creators. Some early adopters built niche versions, for example, AI Course Creator for real estate training, and made 6 figures by licensing it to training companies. You can build your own version using open-source AI APIs like OpenAI, 11 Labs, and HeyGen, or simply white-label an existing tool and sell it as your own brand. AI business number 3, AI Thumbnail and Media Design Tool. The third AI business is one that literally every content creator needs, an AI design tool for thumbnails, ads, and social media posts. Creators spend hours designing visuals that convert clicks into views. But imagine a tool that analyzes successful designs across YouTube and auto-generates a new one for you, customized to your niche and color scheme. This is where AI plus design intelligence meet. Example. You upload your last 10 thumbnails. The AI studies patterns in color, emotion, and layout. Then it suggests 3 new thumbnail templates scientifically optimized for CTR. That's a billion-dollar concept. Case study, an indie developer launched Thumbly AI in 2023, a small SaaS that did exactly this, and within 6 months, it grew to $100,000 ARR just from YouTubers and marketers. You can replicate this with APIs like Replicate, Canva's Magic Design, or Hugging Face diffusion models, turn it into a paid app, $19 per month for creators, and you're building scalable, passive income. AI business number 4, AI podcast repurposing platform. Business number 4 is an absolute goldmine, AI podcast repurposing tools. Podcasts are booming. But creators struggle to repurpose long-form audio into viral clips, tweets, and TikToks. AI can automate that entire process. Here's how the business works. You create a SaaS platform that takes a podcast link or audio file, and your AI automatically cuts out key moments, generates subtitles, and formats them for social media. Boom. 10x more content with no editing. Case study, a small app called Opus Clips started doing this for YouTubers in 2023. In just 1 year, it hit over 1 million users and raised $12 million in funding. Now imagine building a niche version of it, like AI repurposing for business podcasts or AI repurposing for educators. That's where the opportunity lies in 2025. Focus, niche, automate, and scale. AI business number 5, AI brand voice and script generator. Finally, business number 5, AI brand voice builders. Every brand, influencer, and business is chasing authentic content that sounds unique, but writing dozens of posts, captions, and ad scripts is exhausting. An AI product that creates a custom brand voice model can fix that. Here's how: a user uploads 10 of their previous posts, and your AI studies tone, style, and structure. It then becomes their personal writing assistant, generating future posts, YouTube scripts, and email newsletters in the same tone. Case study, a startup called Jasper AI began as a copywriting tool in 2021. By 2024, it was valued at $1.5 billion, and thousands of creators used it daily to maintain consistency across platforms. You can niche down, like AI voice generator for fitness influencers or AI email writer for real estate agents. Each version can scale as a micro SaaS with recurring revenue. Wrap up. Voiceover. So let's recap. Here are your 5 AI business models that could make you $1 million if you start now. 1. AI video generator platform. 2. Automated AI course builder. 3. AI thumbnail and design tool. 4. AI podcast repurposing platform. 5. AI brand voice generator. Every one of these is product-based, scalable, and built for the future of media. You don't need a massive team, you just need AI tools, creativity, and execution. Start small. Build one feature. Solve one pain point, and you'll be miles ahead of the crowd still thinking about starting a business. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps us reach more future entrepreneurs like you. Comment below which AI business you'd start first. I read every single one. And make sure to subscribe, because next week, we're dropping a new video: Best Investments for 2025, the next millionaire wave. Until then, stay smart, stay driven, and remember, AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't use AI.